Hi, my name is Shakil Hossain. Today I will show you here how you will add Facebook live chat to your website. So first you need to log in to your Facebook account. So after logging in your Facebook account, definitely you have a Facebook page to integrate your Facebook live chat with your website. So I'm going to use this website. This is a testing website right now, and I'm going to just Facebook, and from my Facebook account I'm going to select a page. This is my page. So from the page, if you scroll down in the bottom section, you will see there is an option to setting. So I'm going to click setting. From the settings section, you will see the second option is messaging. Just click on it, messaging. When you will select a messaging, there is an option to show your page for your website. You see, this is the option, add messenger to your website. I'm going to start that. Next, this is the bar. It will show on your website. So if you want to customize it, like this color, you can do that. You can change the language. I'm going to press the next. Here's the color option. You see, those colors available. Customize your this chart box. I'm going to select the red one. You see the color is changing. If you select green, anyone. Okay, let's move with the red selected, and then you can use two on the left side or the right side, this position on your website. So I'm going to keep it right side because right side is best place to keep its profile tag. Okay, and then domain name, I'm going to select this is save, and then just I'm going to copy this source code and press the finish bar. Done. Okay, so right now you see that my website is don't have that Facebook chart option here, so I'm going to add this on my setting theme editor. From my theme editor, every WordPress, I'm just going to using WordPress website. If you are using any PHP, you will just put it code on your right place. I'm just going to find the header section. In that header section, I will just put my code and before end of the header section head. Okay, and then now publish. Okay, let's refresh this page. You see the Facebook live chat section is here. So when somebody tries to contact with me, you can just press here continue as a guest, so you will get this chat section. So this is how you can add a Facebook live chat on your website. If you have any question, you can feel free to ask me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.